Hey guys, how are we doing? Welcome to a new week. I pray that we all hit profitability this week. So, this is the trade that I took last week, and I have not closed. I'm in break even now. So, I'm just watching price. If we see a break above this daily high, I would take a trade. If I see a reason to take a trade using, my breaker entry. What I understand about trading now is you don't need so many complex entry models. You just need one specific entry model and you are okay. That's just it. So I'm going to be doing this. Currently, my account is reading 9,170 something, I think. So if I can get my account back to $200, that's to 9,200, I'll increase my risk to $15. Then if I can get it for 500, I'll keep increasing my risk till I get back to my 10k. This journey is a long journey, but I am thinking of getting another prop firm by this month. For now, though, but FTMO, the reason why I like FTMO is because they have history. So yeah, but nevertheless, if I see a trade, I'll definitely post it and tag you guys, and let's see how this week turns out. Whether we'll be profitable, whether we'll take any trade, whether we'll be in losses, I really don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right, have a good one. Guys, so it is Tuesday, and we did not see any trade on Monday. So this trade that is here, I've been on this trade since last week on the buy on gold. I've just been holding it since, and may probably close at any point in time. I don't know, price is doing what it's doing. I can't, the move is very, very crazy. Like, the buy is crazy, very, very crazy. But I took a trade today. Okay, a sell. You say, wow, why are you taking a sell when you're actually on the buy? I took a sell from this point here, from this point, this key level right there. So it made sense to actually sell from this point. I saw a reason, and we saw that price came here, and we saw a reaction to the downside before we saw a parabolic move to the upside. So what does that tell us? That this point, this part here was significant, but it eventually just followed what happened on the distance. The reason why I even took this trade is because of we took out the daily low. Now, when we took out the daily low, giving us a sentimental point of saying that okay, price is bearish, but it doesn't always happen. So it doesn't always pan out the way it pans out. So, but I took the trade, and we took a loss, just one loss, bringing my account to, let me check. I'll put my phone at this point here, a screen record of my phone. So putting our account at I think 120, running in profit of I think $60. But nevertheless, it's not easy trying to come out of drawdown, but it can be done. It can be done. So yeah, this high has been taken. So as far as this high has been taken, I am not taking any trade anymore, because the daily high and daily low points, let's go here, daily high, daily low points have been taken already at this point. So what does that tell me? It tells me that price just literally just wants to grab liquidity, So I think I'm going to close my trade at this point. I just want to close it at this point because I just want to close it. So the day has not ended, but let's see what market has for us, if we take any trade, or if we even take any trade this week anymore. So let's see what goes on. Sorry for the glare. I think there's a glare around here. So this is Wednesday. Sorry I did not post when I took this trade in the morning. I was predisposed, so I wasn't with my system to post. I saw this trade here. we have taken out the daily high, so I knew that yes, we're going to be pushing to the upside. Probably we'll be pushing to the upside. So what I did, you see this trade here. I took this trade in the morning. Let's go here. I took this trade in the morning. I saw this point as an entry point here. This is the close of this, the close and the open of that candle. The close rather of this candle, the open of this candle. So I saw price coming to the open, and as soon as we tap there, stop loss here, price pushed to the upside. Then I saw price entering this area of significance. Look at that. Wait, hold on, let's check something. Oh damn, I wasn't supposed to take this trade. Why did I take this trade? Okay, yeah, I took a trade. I remember. Yeah, I was supposed to take the trade. There was a trade here. I came in late, so that's why the entry point is here. The right entry point is, let me draw a line, is this up here. So I was anticipating price. I used line chart most times in my trading. So I was anticipating price coming into this area, and we can see this area of significance. Price tapped into the area, and we saw reactions to the upside. But price could not sustain the reaction, so price came back down and kicked me out. Almost getting close to my entry at this point here, almost, before it now shot to the upside. So I think basically I think this week I have only one loss. I think I have just only one loss. So my account is sitting at $160 something and currently still counting. So I'm just waiting to see if this hits TP or it's stop loss. If it can hit TP, good and fine. If it is stop loss, no problem. We'll still catch another trade. Okay. This is the trade we took before, and it hit TP. We took this trade, it hit our stop loss. We're just anticipating a short position from this point, but it hit stop loss. So nevertheless, I will update you guys if I take any trade today again. I will update you because we are very, very bullish. But if I don't take any trade, no problem. It is what it is. Let's check something. Forex factory. I don't know whether I don't really remember the last time I checked this. Forex factory. Yeah. Let's check for tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be very, very busy. It's going to be very, very busy. We have some low and high impact news. So probably maybe we'll get some good trades tomorrow, as in trades that move, because gold on a normal does not slow down like this. This is so slow. These trades are slow, very, very slow. So nevertheless, we'll keep anticipating, to see what price does eventually. Let's mark this area here. Yeah, so eventually let's see what price does, if we go up or if we push price to the downside. All right, peace. So this is Thursday. How are we doing? So yeah, this week hasn't been very, very profitable. Generally I've had just two losses and one break even. Yeah, price has been doing a lot on gold. Let me shift. Sorry about the glare. So price has been doing a lot on gold. This was the beginning of the week, this point here. So this was a trade that I took last week, so it spanned out till this week, which later hit TP. Then the first loss when I saw the daily low was taken out, I saw a sell. Price just missed me by a pip, then came back again. I was still holding this position and it hit me out. Then the next day, which was yesterday rather, I took a trade. Let's see. Wait, yeah, I think I have had three losses. So I took this trade. I held this position here. I held it till midnight. Then I moved to break even. Then this trade here was a loss. So I took a loss. Sorry about the glare. So I took a loss on this trade, and yeah, that was okay. I didn't really, Then I saw a trade here, this point here. I saw a trade here at this open and close candle. And this candle was a very significant candle if you go to the line chart. I saw this candle here, and I set a limit here. Price destroyed it. So currently my account is at $9,153. So I'm risking about $10-12 per trade. So anyway, the week is not over yet. We have tomorrow. Let's see how far we can go. 3 losses in a week, not bad. Before I was having 10 losses in a week, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not rushing. I believe that I'm going to come out of drawdown from this account and I'm going to pass it, and I'm going to be a funded trader. All right, I will keep going no matter how long it takes. Those struggling out there in trading, please don't give up. It's not an easy journey, but it's a journey that is very profitable. So please, let's keep going. All right, thank you. How are we doing? So this is the last day of the week, which is Friday. We didn't really see any crazy trade to take. Yeah. Anyway, we didn't see any crazy trade to take. A wonderful trade to take at the moment. So I'm anticipating price coming back to this zone here, to this zone right here. So if we see price come back to this zone, we'll be taking buys to this upside, but unlikely price will definitely come here before the close of today. But well, what I've known about price action, anything can happen. And you can see it, I share the trade on my Telegram channel. So well, anything that can happen, anybody can take this trade. So anyway, let's see what price has to offer, whether we can get a very, very good trade today or not. Have a good one. Hey guys, so I think this is the trade that I took on Friday. This down hand here, I set a limit here and price and not get there. Now I set a limit for this up one here, price reached there, pushed up. Then I forgot to close my trades on FTMO because they what's it called again? I didn't know that they close even before market closes. As soon as they close, that was one of my biggest anger right now, because I didn't move to break even, I didn't close my trade, and this trade is going to it could hit my stop loss in a very, very big way. Because slippage sometimes can be very, very crazy during market open. So definitely as soon as market opens, I might get slipped. But nevertheless though, I'm still at $150 something. So last week I had 3 losses. But all in all, we are still pushing. Trading is not for the weak, it's not for the faint of heart, but those that are dedicated to it definitely reap reward. Alright, hopefully next week is going to be a very, very wonderful week.